These monkeys are taking Call Me by Your Name to a whole new level. Scientists discovered that marmoset monkeys use distinctive whistle-like calls to address specific monkeys, similar to how humans use names to address other humans. Until recently, only 3 species were known to use names: humans, dolphins with their signature whistles, and elephants who rumble each other's names. That's it. Now marmosets are officially the 4th member, which is interesting because they're our closest relatives on that list. When we talk about animals using names, we're not just talking about making sounds. These animals have to mentally map out their social world, recognize individuals, and assign specific vocal labels to each one. All of that requires pretty sophisticated cognitive work. Listen to this marmoset conversation. But how do these scientists know marmosets are calling each other by name? Well, the research team took 10 marmosets from 3 families, separated them by curtains, and recorded their conversations, over 50,000 calls in total. They were studying phi calls, which are these long-distance whistles marmosets use to communicate when they can't see each other. Using machine learning, they found patterns. Specific calls were consistently directed at specific monkeys, targeted communication with what essentially function as names. But here's what I found the most interesting. Marmoset families have their own accents for calling the same individual. So if multiple families know the same monkey, they'll each call him by name, but with their family's unique vocal signature, kind of like their own dialect or accent. When researchers played back recordings, monkeys responded more often when they heard their name called in their own family's style versus another family's call. This discovery raises some interesting questions about animal communication. Firstly, are there other species using names that we just haven't noticed yet? Are we missing conversations happening right around us because we haven't been listening carefully enough? Some researchers think this naming ability might have been more common than we originally thought. We just might be getting better at recognizing it. If you like science we're sharing like this, then follow us everywhere at Today Learn Science at TIL Science.